Here goes nothing. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to Doug's Cars. We got a real Rover rescue for today, ROVERDOWN. That's right, Troy's silver Range Rover won't turn over. There's something with the fuel pump. We think the fuel line might be clogged up. We're gonna hop in the functioning Toyota here and go see if we can't get it running. It is the hottest day of the year by far, and it's just miserable out here. So hopefully it's just a gunked up fuel pump or fuel filter, because this thing needs to be running. It's been running great. So stay tuned. Let's see what's wrong with it. See if we can get it going again. So there's all kinds of goodies back in here that we can use.
Well, I thought this was the fuel filter that would fit.
The newer ones are different, aren't they?
Yeah.
I think they have them in stock at like O'Reilly's or somewhere, or Advance.
Advance doesn't have one here, but I might have to try O'Reilly's. If not, just a universal one. I don't know.
Yeah, you just pop one in.
Yeah, I just have 2 hose fittings on it.
Yeah, so universal. I think is the nearest O'Reilly's down mid-level ways. Maybe, just maybe, there is a fuel filter in there. Speaker. Who's had the CB radio on it?
That's
hilarious.
That's a red one. I bought it.
Spark plug wire.
Just have to swing by Advance or something.
Yeah.
Alright.
We need to move the C4.
I think this is probably it, yeah.
Is it just a regular, like, Lucas relay, or?
Yeah. I've got one. I just want to bring another one.
Yeah, yeah. Make sure that we know this one works.
Like the dielectric grease and everything on it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's still metal even, wow.
Alright, so we have, I'm going to put a fuel pump here, and that's it. And I could probably just run that rubber line.
Yeah, you don't need the filter. But I'm about to channel my inner JR, head into O'Reilly's, see if we can get this filter.
Imagine how much this would cost.
I mean,
there's nothing else blocking the fuel. You know what I mean? Like,
yeah.
This has to work.
But you need one anyway. The stuff that came out of that was disgusting.
Gross.
Yeah, it was absolutely nasty. So glad we have O'Reilly's here now in town. Then we made it over here. Notice that unfortunately we don't have any shade, so it's gonna be hot. Oh. Good news is this is up. Rover Rescue Shark, everything in the trunk. So it does have a new fuel pump, of course. There's the old filter. It smells nicely of fuel in here. And of course, if you have one of these older ones, you gotta drill out the rivets to get the floor out. So oh, it goes there in that bracket? Okay, I see that. Nice. Yeah, I mean, it's the same one.
Yeah, right?
$10 at O'Reilly's. That's just a little. So it's got the, okay, that goes to the metal fitting in the front then, obviously, and then, all right, yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, it's gross.
Yeah, you can see where you dump the nastiness out of it. It's like on the front of it there. Nice.
Not sure if this is correct fuel line, but you know, it's rubber.
It's the line that was on it?
No.
Oh.
They all broke.
Oh,
Immediately.
so you put new lines on? Okay. Yeah, but you just got lines at the shop, right? I mean, it's actual fuel line.
It's a rubber I found on the ground.
Oh. It's a Range Rover. It's a piece of rubber on the ground. It's probably better than it came from the factory, from British Leyland or whatever. Well, actually, I guess they were done by then, but. this oil filter says CarQuest on it.
The old one?
270707. So it's at least not original of the car, but it's still 12 years old. Half that time was actually, I thought this was an 04 inspection sticker.
Yeah, right.
How does it have a newer?
Oh,
Who was driving it uninspected? Because this wasn't old enough for classic CAGs back then.
Yeah.
Weird.
It's weird.
Maybe it was out of state.
It was, though. Remember Mississippi? These all came from an auction in Mississippi.
Oh, these all came from Mississippi.
Yeah.
I mean, I know Mike's has a Mississippi inspection, but yours and mine are obviously local. Yours has what? Fauquier County, and then mine has Colonial Heights, I think. Sticker on it.
Alright, so what are we going to do now? Relay. Alright.
Alright. Well, if you didn't ever know how to change the fuel filter in an 87 to 89 Range Rover Classic, now you do. And knowing's half the battle. Here goes nothing. That doesn't sound good.
Well, tell me the fuel pumps. Here's.
Yeah, that guide is not very useful.
Nope.
Not blown.
Everyone in the comments is going to be like, you should know what
Yeah, right. It's fused B. Yeah.
Through that. I don't know how long it takes to go pressure.
Yeah, well, if there was no fuel on the line, then it should be, after all that you've done, it should be ready to start. I mean, like, that's been a while.
Alright, let me jump the fuel pump again.
Alright.
So I know it works.
Yeah, it's definitely, I can feel it. It's definitely doing something. Yep. So, I mean, I can definitely feel it still. Still going.
Just gonna try start further.
Yeah. It should run with that because it did before, right?
Yeah. You want to spray or turn the key?
Thanks, Bray. Yeah. Don't know. Camaro started. Yeah, I don't know, man.
Nothing?
So one of the things I read on a forum said that it could be the idle air control valve, which, you know, could cause starting issues. But I mean, it almost started that first spray, and then ever since then it hasn't. So.
No, I got it to start and run.
You want me to try cranking?
Yeah.
Let's see what happens. That's weird. Hey, there we go. So it ran. That's good.
Yeah, here. Do that again.
Definitely running now, but just on starter fluid. Oh man.
Try that again with the fuel pump relay in.
Okay. How many of these fuel lines have you pulled now?
I'm doing it because I feel like I'm like cross-threaded every time.
I know. Well, I tightened mine up, and it's just so hard to get back to it too. It's just like such a terrible angle to be at with that.
Yeah.
with all the vacuum lines in the way too. What he's going to try to do is see if we can get some fuel pumped through, because it's just not pumping fuel even though the fuel pump's working, and it runs off of starter fluid, and it ran off the starter fluid with the fuel pump relay in and then immediately died. So cross your fingers and hope that this will solve the problem. Oh, it's residual starter fluid. Shoot. Well, try cranking it again. I mean, it at least turned over that time. Oh. Yeah, that's still got to be. Why is it not working? It's because it's a British car.
That's not fuel now, right?
Well, but you just pulled the line off, so.
I didn't pull it all the way off. I just started.
But you said it was dribbling out, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, I can smell it too. Certainly not leaking back here. That's clean. That's clean. No leaks. I'm stumped.
Watch it. Watch
yeah.
your it's good. I have
Yeah,
one towards you. I also have a fire extinguisher in the back of the.
Okay. Well, the engine's not hot, so. Safety third, folks. Safety third. Yeah. All right. Well, it's just that amount.
Okay.
I don't know. Reattach it and see if it actually starts.
Yeah.
I mean, because what else could that be other than it was just maybe stuck in the system still?
Let's turn it again.
Yeah.
See if it'll shoot some in there.
All right. Do that.
Yeah.
Here, I'm gonna set this up.
This is like shade tree mechanics if there's no shade.
Oh, there's definitely no shade. It's gonna stay, is it? All right.
See what happens. Well, still nothing coming in. Alright, stop. Let me try the other rebuy.
Yeah, that's weird. It's just not pumping anything unless the jumper is in.
Why
Jumper wire.
why won't it start though when it's pumping?
I don't know. I don't know. But we know it's actually pumping fuel. So it's not a blocked fuel line, and the fuel pump works. Of course, there's a new fuel pump, but why it won't start, we're not sure. So we're gonna try the jumper and see if we can get it to start again on the jumper, which it has not done yet. Let's see where that goes. Yeah, I'm kind of stumped because it's pumping fuel with the jumper and running on starter fluid. So, any thoughts? Anybody? Anybody? It's definitely getting fuel because the jumper's in. It's definitely getting fuel with the jumper in, right? Something in there has got to be clogged. That's the only thing I can think of. It's not just that, it's just not getting that fuel. Something's got to be clogged up in there. This is what you do when you've exhausted everything. You call someone who's a paid mechanic and see if they have any ideas. I mean, we know it works here. So we've got air. There's fuel in here with the spray can. And there's fuel over there. But there's somehow not fuel traveling through here for whatever reason, or to there. Well, I've said it before, win some, lose some. It looks like this episode might not be ending on the best note. We're going to have to do some more research and see what this is, because we've exhausted our knowledge, and Tyler's not answering his phone, probably because he saw Troy was calling. So, yeah, thanks for watching, and keep subscribing and liking, and maybe on the next video we'll have some better news, or maybe we'll figure something out. But, yeah, for now, keep watching.